You want something to drink too? Are you thirsty? You want to get in on this? Grab that beer on the ground and get in on it. Hurry. Hurry up. Grab that shit.
Right there.
Grab it.
Yeah, that one.
We got all the beer in the world. Grab that shit right now. Whoa. Hey, hold on. Come here. You got to come back and drink it. You got to pound it right now. Shotgun that shit. Go. Come on, homegirl. You got it. Go. Pound that shit. Pound it. Pound it. Pound it deep.
All right.
Yeah, that's it, bro. Yeah, that's cold, all right.
Scott, this is how it was born.
Yeah. We're gonna do some freaky shit here in a second.
Grab me another one. I got to show him how to shotgun.
We're gonna have a fucking Joey Galloway sandwich here in a minute. Yo, homie, are you thirsty too? Hey, Pierre, are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? You want something to drink too? Yo, get this one something to drink, Chris. Chris, we need more beer. Empty that refrigerator. Stop being such a little faggot. You guys are thirsty, I know it. We're gonna have hot dog eating championship here in a minute. Pass them out. Hey, brother Pierre, you got a shotgun that shit. Let's do this. It's a race to the finish line.
There you go.
Go.
Yeah, I know.
I love myself. That's cold, huh? That's cold shit, huh, homie?
Get your knife back. It's always a bad idea.
I know, right? I bet you
Never had a problem with that.
you got a pee too, huh?